Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Sagittarius. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys, Sagittarius. So these are for your general energies, guys. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading, guys. So first, let's start with these cards here. We have Death in reverse, Six of Spheres, and Four of Stars. So, in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. Today, you are seeing some changes in your life, guys. Great changes are happening, and maybe you are you have faced a lot, gone through a lot of situation, and you are overcoming. Maybe you have moved on. Maybe in your past you would have had a failure, maybe a failure in your work or a failure in this relationship, and you are worried. You want to move on from the past. You are doing your best today, and maybe there are people in your life helping you, guiding you today, guys. And this person, maybe they are kind. It may be your friend or a family member helping you today, guiding you and making you feel a little better today, guys. And you want to move on, and you are someone who thinks with clarity. So today you are making the right choices, or you want to make the right choices and make the right move today, guys, in your situation. And you are being really paying a lot of attention to your situation. So it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship. You don't want to maybe you don't want the same things happening again. So whatever failures you have faced in your work situation, maybe you don't want to repeat that. Or maybe in this relationship you would have faced a heartbreak, a breakup with this person, some kind of troubles in this love. You don't want to repeat that same old story again today, guys. And maybe in this relationship or in your work situation, you feel stuck. You are unable to do things with clarity today. Whatever you expected, whatever you planned for in your relationship or in your work, that may not go as planned, and you feel your plans are not working. So you feel stuck some ways, don't know how to decide. And maybe it may be the divine timing, guys, working out for you. So at the appropriate time things will manifest. So though you are someone who makes clear decisions today, so whatever you decide or plan is not working out today, guys. So the reason may be divine timing. So it may not be the right time for you today to move towards those choices or towards those actions. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's the Devil. So some major changes are happening, Sagittarius, in your situation. You feel lost and stressed, maybe in this relationship. There are things beyond your control. You are doing your best and you feel you are powerless to do anything to rectify this situation. So things are out of hand. Maybe this person is not listening to you, listening to your ideas or plans. So let's see what is the card for your, it's Cardinal of Stars. So for your work situation, guys, you have that strength, determination, and you are doing your best, and your strength may be the reason you come out of difficulties, guys. Sagittarius. So that is the reading, guys, with these cards. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. We will see what is the card for you all today. Not for you. So with this card, guys, it just means that maybe this relationship or this connection is not meant to be. So some relationships carry an innate seed of failure right from the beginning, and you need not feel sad or stressed. You need to understand that rejection is God's way of protection. So when something is denied to you, however hard you make efforts, some things may not go right and you may see failure in that. You need to understand that maybe it is not meant to be. That is the reason it is not manifesting, and there are much better things on its way towards you, and you can be happy for that, guys. And you need to trust this and understand that rejection is God's protection today for you. So in a relationship, sometimes when it is not meant to be, however hard you try or whatever you do, things will not go up to expectation. And maybe right from the beginning, you may have an understanding that this connection may not work. You may have an intuition, or sometimes you may not observe things in this way. But if this relationship is meant to be, it will proceed towards the positive way, guys. But if it is not, if you are rejecting or if that person is rejecting, it is good for both of your sakes, guys, because for each and every person there is a proper match here, and this person may not be the best one for you, guys. So you need to understand that, and you need not feel worried. There is a best fit waiting for you. So you just need to have trust today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. This card for y'all, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, we have fairies, words. So with this card, it just means that in our circumstances today, guys, you need to be really careful what you speak, and you need to be really careful of the thoughts you have. And the words we speak to people, it has a great impact in their life, guys. So that does not mean that we have to flatter someone to make them happy, go for that falsehood. It does not mean that. It just means that in each and every situation we should speak with honesty and with the beauty of ourselves. So what inner beauty we have, our words should come from that kindness and from that compassion. And when we speak words of kindness, you need not think of anything else. You will surely be rewarded today. And when you do good things for others, your good deeds will always be reciprocated, guys. May not be today, but the rewards will surely reach you for whatever good you are doing to the people. It may be a stranger or it may be a friend. To whomever you do something good, it is going to come back to you. And when you speak kind words, you are enriching yourself with more beauty and kindness. So that is the energy here, guys. So maybe in some situation today, you are doing things the right way, not for the sake of someone praising you or appreciating you, just for the truth and honesty, and for the beautiful soul you have. So you are doing the right things for the sake of the right thing, not for anything else. So maybe in your situation something demands this action on your part, and you are moving ahead with honesty, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.